to find tension for this one, and you're given the static friction coefficient and assume that gravity is 10 meters per second. So the first thing you have to do is draw the free body diagrams. So for the one here, which is 10 kilograms, you have tension this way, friction this way, weight, which is mass times gravity, and then the normal force. Then you have to define the positive direction, so that's positive x and positive y. Then the free body diagram for this one would be is weight, which is mass times gravity, and then tension. And then you have to move the axes with it, so this becomes the positive x and this becomes the positive y. Then you do the sum of forces for each one in the x direction. So for this one, sum of forces in the x direction equals mass times acceleration. So you have tension minus the friction equals mass times acceleration. And for this one, it would be sum of forces equals mass times acceleration. So weight, which is mg, minus tension equals mass times acceleration. And then to find friction for this one, you use the mu k equals friction over the normal force. So you know that the mu k is 0.5 equals, and then you're trying to find the friction force over, and the normal force is the opposite of this, so it would be 10 times 10, because you're assuming gravity equals 10 meters per second. And then you would solve for Fe, which equals 50 newtons. So then you have tension minus 50 equals the mass, which is 10 times acceleration, because that's unknown. Then here you have mass, which is 20 times 10 minus t equals 20a. And then you add the equations. So you do tension minus 50 equals 10a. And then you add them so the t's cancel out. So then you have 200 minus 50 equals 30a. So then you have 150 equals 30a. So a equals 5 meters per second squared. So the acceleration of the system is 5 meters per second squared. And then you plug it back in to either this formula or that one. So you have tension minus 50 equals 10 times the acceleration, which is 5. So you have tension minus 50 equals 50. So tension equals 100 newtons.